Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Nano here. So yes, you guys, I wanted to give you guys an update on my hair, the crochet hair that I installed back a while back. That's the hair when I first installed it. As you can see, if you haven't watched this video, it's the previous video before this one. You can go ahead and watch it. That was the hair 2 weeks and a half after I installed it. It was looking pretty good. So yes, now let's get back to the future, or should I, let's get back to it. So yes, you guys, that's the hair. As you can see, it was in a pony and I had a headband on. That's pretty much how I wear this hair. I barely let it down. As you can see, it was all a mess because it's been a month and 2 weeks. I have some pimple, you guys. I don't know if you guys can spot it, but yeah, don't mind that. We're not here for that. Now this hair, you guys, I love this hair. And I wouldn't mind to do it again, like use this hair again. It's really soft. Sometimes you can get a little bit matty and all, but you know, it's good. I mean, it's synthetic hair that happened, but it didn't shed too much, and you don't need a lot. You don't need a lot. I didn't do much, you guys. I barely do anything. When I say anything, sometimes I'll just comb it through and then it's good to go. It bounced. It wasn't too stiff or anything, but as you guys can see, my hair it's been grown out. Like I said, I had it on for like a month and 2 weeks. So yes, the hair gave what it's supposed to give, you guys. Now that's all I do, you guys. I use this big comb just to comb it out a bit to make sure it bounced back, and I didn't put no conditioner, no oil, nothing. It's a low maintenance, which I really like, you guys. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys how the hair wears and all that. As you can see, when I comb it out a little, it still looking pretty good, and you can see it still bounce. So yeah, that's a must, because even if it's synthetic hair, we don't want it to be like a stiff, like it's wood or rock. You get it. That was me trying to show you guys how my hair has grown and all that. You can see all the buildup and everything. It was very loose, so it was time for me to take it out, and I wanted to show you guys that the hair was still looking good beside the buildup, but you can barely see it when you let the hair down. So there wasn't a problem. And let's not even talk about the invisible part, you guys. Let's not, okay, we're not gonna talk about that. But yes, you guys, if you're still here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Look at that growth, you guys. Don't mind the buildup, but look at that growth. So yes, you can see it. You can see it. I will definitely use this hair again, like I said, in the future if I have to. I have nothing to say about this hair. You see how it was all matting and everything. It was time for me to take them out, sorry. But yes, you guys, now that was me after I cut them down, and it was time for me to remove the knots and everything, which is really easy. You can just use your hand and then they'll just keep coming out. If you do have a little difficulty of taking them out like that, you can just start by unbraiding your cornrows and they'll just pop out. There is nothing more. It won't take long. Probably take me like, let's say, 30 minutes for me to cut them down and then remove my cornrows. After that, you know, it's time for me to wash and blow dry and do another one, which I haven't. So if you have any idea of like what hairstyle should I do next, please let me know in the comment section down below. Braids or crochet, you guys let me know. So yeah, if you're still here and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And oh, I do have a clip after I wash them, and so you guys can see that was me just freshly washed, nothing else. I didn't even blow dry them. So yes, you guys, bye.